Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing this electric salt pepper grinder set from ASOFTY. Alright, it's a pretty beautiful looking device, huh? So here's the barcode. There's a little more details here on the back. It has a 900 milliamp battery. Has a okay, so the base is actually a charging base. Oh, that's cool. So it's a USB charging base. Wow, that's creative. Yeah, I've never seen that before. So it could continuously grind up to an hour at 9,000 RPM. Okay. I guess the noise level is pretty low. That's below a whisper, I believe. We'll see. Wow, I didn't realize this was a charging docking station. But that's cool. Alright, let's get this box open here. Oh, one more thing. Let's see what here is. Grinding ingredients. Okay, yeah. So there's two charging method. So you can charge directly to the device itself, I guess, huh? Alright, so let's get this out here. Okay, thank you card. And then here's just the user manual. How to unlock it and put the salt or pepper into it. Thumb screw, 10-second to 120 seconds. Okay, if you need anything, just pause it. Okay, so cool. So here's the docking station here. Okay, simple plastic, has a 2-pin system. Well, outer and then a pin system in the middle. USB-C plug is on the side. Comes with the wire, the USB cable. Plugs that right in. Easy breezy. So let's take these out. Ooh, oh wow. Yeah, they feel good. Very high quality feeling. It's like yeah, it's metal construction here, and then it's plastic here. Here's where the pins are. So I guess you dock it upside down. It's pretty cool, huh? Cap comes right off. Wow, oh yeah, well that's 10 seconds. Huh. I guess, yeah, if you're using this, it's for like when you're really cooking and you're trying to really pepper up stuff, right? Because normally, you know, I'll do like a sprinkle, right? But for this, you have to really turn the meat. Spread, turn the meat. Spread. And that's the 10 seconds. I guess you just push it and then push it again to turn it off right away if you're using it for a short sprinkle. So that's not too bad, right? Yeah, that's cool. Here, let's go ahead and here's the lock, unlock, right? Just do a little quick twist. Comes right off. Pour your stuff into here, and that's it. Feels really good in the hands, I'll tell you that. Let's see, where's the... Okay, so here's, yeah, it has a little black indicator right there. Pop it in right here. Oh, then why is this here? They should put this over here, but oh well. So here's the unlock. You slide it in, right? The black mark lines up and twists to the lock, and has a very nice loud click that you hear when it's locked into place. And that's it. So here's the second USB port, so you can plug it directly into here or use the docking. Just depends on how your kitchen's set up. You might not want this on the counter, so you just manually charge this with USB-C and leave it inside your cabinet, or however you store your salt and pepper. All right. Again, very quality. This is very thick plastic here, the clear plastic lens. This comes off very easily. I don't know, maybe I might leave this off, I don't know, but yeah, I wish it was, I don't know, maybe pops and stays out of the way like that or something, but I think most people would probably just get rid of this. All right. Again, there's the LED indicators. Has a very cool LED light. That's a nice cool white. Again, this is the salt and pepper from ASOFTY. Questions, comments, leave it below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.